Let's be real for a second. Most traders are basically just flying blind. Well, today, we're going to change that. This explainer is your blueprint to transform trading from a total gamble into a structured, repeatable process. This is the flight plan that separates the pros from everyone else. So let's get into it. Okay, let's start with a pretty shocking number. Over 70% of new traders lose money. That's a huge number, right? But the real question is, why? Why does this happen so consistently? And I want you to take a second and be really honest with yourself. Does that sound familiar? Have you ever had that feeling where you're just clicking buttons, hoping for the best, only to watch your account balance drop? Look, you are definitely not alone, but it really doesn't have to be that way. And here's the thing that most people miss. The problem isn't that you're not smart enough or that the market is rigged against you. It's actually way simpler than that. It's the lack of a plan. If you don't know exactly why you're getting into a trade, where you'll get out, or how much you're risking, well, you're not really trading, you're just guessing. So that's exactly what we're going to build together today. We'll start by talking about the trader's blind spot. Then we'll build your foundation, define your rules, and make the plan real. And all of that leads to the final step, your path to actually taking control of your trading. All right, let's kick it off with part 1, the trader's blind spot. This is all about understanding that huge, crucial difference between simply guessing and actually planning. You know, just saying I want to make money isn't a plan. It's a wish. It's like walking into a gym and saying I want to get fit, and then just wandering around. There's no target, no structure, no process. And when the market gets chaotic, and believe me, it will, a vague wish offers you absolutely zero protection. Okay, so let's start putting the pieces together. In this section, we're going to lay the foundation. We'll define your goals, figure out your trading style, and decide where to focus your energy. This is how we go from just hoping, actually doing. And to do that, we're going to use the SMART goal framework. This is what turns a fantasy like I want to get rich into a real, actionable target. Your goal has to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. So what does that actually look like? Well, a great goal could be to grow your $500 account by 2% a week for 6 months. See how specific that is? But my favorite example here is the second one. Follow my plan for 20 straight trades with no emotion. That is so powerful because it focuses on your discipline, which is the one thing you can actually control. Next, you got to find a trading style that fits your life, not some influencer's life. Are you a scalper who can give intense focus for short bursts? Or a swing trader holding trades for a few days, which is perfect if you have a full-time job? You have to be honest with yourself about your schedule and what kind of person you are. And finally, let's talk about focus. So many new traders try to watch 15 things at once, and they end up mastering nothing. Your goal isn't to be a jack of all trades. Pick 1 or 2 major currency pairs like the euro versus the dollar and get to know them inside and out. Go deep, not wide.